In order to express the three trig ratios as a decimal to the nearest hundred, I need to identify my ratios for sine of s, cosine of s, and tangent of s. Keeping in mind, we're going to use SOHCAHTOA to remind us of which sides create the ratio in the first place. I label my triangle as opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent in terms of angle S. I begin by identifying my hypotenuse as opposite the right angle. Then I go to my adjacent, which is attached to angle S, and then opposite is the side that remains, which is opposite the angle that we are referring to. So now my sine of S is going to be equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. So my opposite value equals 48, while my hypotenuse equals 50. Cosine of S is my adjacent over hypotenuse, where my adjacent value is 14 and my hypotenuse is 50. And tan of S is going to be opposite over adjacent, my opposite being 48 and my adjacent being 14. So the last step is to identify these as decimals to the nearest hundredth. All I need to do now is divide. 48 divided by 50 is going to give me the value of 0.96. Cosine of S, 14 divided by 50 gives me the value of 0.28. And the last one, tan of S, 48 divided by 14 gives me the value of 3.43 when rounded to the nearest hundred.